Rod Mercado of Financial Rescue joins us once again with some valuable financial tips and hacks for us. Hi, Rod. First of all, I want to thank you for always taking the time to join us and share some financial advice. Kamusta ka?
Mabuti naman. Medyo stress dahil sa mga nangyayari sa paligid natin, di ba? Parang naging normal na karamihan sa atin ay medyo nai-stress.
Like many of our viewers, we look to you, Rod, for advice. Ano ang pwede natin ngayon gawin at ipabahagi sa kanila to make our lives easier?
So automation pinag-usapan natin. Number one is auto-pay yourself. What I'm saying is paying yourself first, before you even allocate the balance of whatever you have for other expenses. Kailangan priority to. So paano mo gagawin yan? For example, yung iyong employer, na mag-cut na ng automatically from your, let's say from your salary, a portion of that will go to your savings and a portion will go to your, let's say, another bank account.
That's a good reminder. I do use autopay a lot for a lot of stuff. So I know that I can share one. Pwede rin tayo mag-autopay ng investment.
Yeah, you can set up automatic transfer sa 401k mo, sa IRA, and other investment accounts. Welcome to dollar cost averaging. Pabol lang to make investing truly set it and forget it. Like automate mo nga. You can sign up for a robo-advisor service like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Acorns. Ito yung mga platforms na automatically i-rebalance yung portfolio over time to match your risk tolerance and goals. So automation, even investing.
Right, of course. And automation is also very handy for paying bills. I use it for almost every bill, phone bill, car payments, student loan, rent, mortgage. Meron ding mga regular payments that can be on autopilot directly through the service provider or directly through your bank.
Isa sa mga pwede mong i-automate yung shopping, right? Siguro ikaw ang authority dito.
No, I do this a lot, Rod, for regular household purchases. I use monthly subscription services like Amazon Subscribe and Save, Happy Little Camper for diapers, and Real Paper for toilet paper. Kasi, this could come with discounts also. In fact, sa Amazon Subscribe and Save, if you hit a certain amount, they give you certain discounts. And it also helps me avoid last-minute trips to the nearest store. Sometimes, pag naubusan ka ng diaper, you go to a nearby store. Sometimes mas mahal, di ba?
Correct, yeah. Iko-compare mo rin yung mga cost before committing to it. Kasi pag nag-commit ka, minsan mahabang ng panahon yan, di ba? So you have to make sure that you also once in a while revisit yung cost na involved, right? And you should be able to cancel when you don't need it anymore. Isa sa mga nakikita ko pang dapat natin i-automate, Janelle, would be yung fraud protection. Alam mo naman natin ngayon, nakakalungkot na ang daming data breaches or yung mga tinatawag nating identity theft. The good news is that most banks let you set up account alerts for free.
Tama ka dyan. And also, Rod, let's remind our viewers to make sure na yung mga linked bank accounts always have enough to cover automated expenses. Kasi naman, pagka set it and forget it, minsan baka naman ma-overdraft naman tayo dyan pagka hindi natin minomonitor, correct?
Automating certain money moves can mean saving more and stressing less, and cruise controlling all the way to hitting your money goals. Just watch out for speed bumps, Ito yung gustong sabihin. Like insufficient funds, as you mentioned earlier, or auto-paying for unnecessary costs. Yeah.
Thank you, Rod, for always coming to our rescue.
As you know, we just celebrated our 13th year. Ang programa namin sa Debt Settlement covers now 46 states. At we have lowered the minimum enrollment to $5,000. Meron kami mga promo ngayon sa social media para sa ating mga viewers. I-like po ninyo or mag-subscribe kayo sa aming social media platforms tulad ng Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube at mananalo kayo ng premyo. Lastly, tax season na naman, Janelle. So kung kayo ay may mga problema po sa pagpa-file ng taxes or may mga issues kayo with IRS, give us a call. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.